When someone calls you ma'am, you realize that you're not that young lady anymore. The reflection in the mirror looks more like your mom every day. It's time to make the decision. We offer state-of-the-art laser procedures, a complete line of plastic surgery, and even full medical skincare programs. Call today to book a complimentary initial consultation. 201-567-8686.
Art can be awe-inspiring, fascinating, and thought-provoking. Art is all around us and in many different forms, although the real beauty of art is that it can tell a story without saying a word. And like art, those moderate to severe frown lines between the brows can also say a lot about a person.
It started to make me look like I was either concentrating too hard or I was a little bit stressed out.
I was home for Christmas and I was reading a book and my mom said, "You look like you're frowning."
I think it's because I started to look angry or something all the time because the lines were there.
Everyone has their own reason for speaking to their doctor about Botox Cosmetic. What's yours? Whatever the reason, you're here to learn about the art of Botox Cosmetic and what your doctor can do to touch up those moderate to severe frown lines between your brows. Hi, I'm Lisa Masters, and I'm here to talk to you about the one and only Botox Cosmetic, a simple, non-surgical, physician-administered treatment that can temporarily treat moderate to severe frown lines between the brows in people ages 18 to 65. Botox Cosmetic, botulinum toxin type A, is a true original. It's by prescription only, and it's the only treatment of its kind approved by the Food and Drug Administration. We've created this video to help you understand more about Botox Cosmetic, what it is, how it works, and how it can visibly improve the appearance of moderate to severe frown lines between the brows. After viewing this program and reviewing the important safety information, talk with your doctor about Botox Cosmetic to see if it's right for you. Only a licensed, trained healthcare professional can administer Botox Cosmetic. Now, let's cover the questions that are on everyone's mind. Botox, botulinum toxin type A, has been used therapeutically for over 16 years to treat a variety of medical conditions. It's approved in more than 75 countries and remains the most studied botulinum toxin and one of the most widely researched medicines in the world. The same formulation, with dosing specific to frown lines, was approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration in 2002 as Botox Cosmetic. After Botox Cosmetic injections, serious heart problems and serious allergic reactions have been reported rarely. If you think you're having an allergic reaction or other unusual symptoms, such as difficulty swallowing, speaking, or breathing, call your doctor immediately. Over time, movement of brow muscles causes the skin to crease. As skin becomes less elastic, repeated frowning creates lines and wrinkles between the brows. Botox Cosmetic is a purified protein produced by the Clostridium botulinum bacterium that relaxes the muscles by blocking nerve impulses. With a few tiny injections, Botox Cosmetic blocks the release of acetylcholine, the chemical that causes muscles to contract. With less movement, the facial muscles begin to relax, and the lines begin to fade. You'll still be able to frown, smile, or look surprised, but without the creases and wrinkles between your brows.
I'm very satisfied with the results.
My expectations were definitely met.
It was no big deal, and the results were just right on target.
This simple, non-surgical procedure consists of a few tiny injections and can be performed right in your doctor's office. No anesthetic is required. The first thing your doctor will determine are the places that need to be treated. Prior to being injected, these areas may be numbed with a cold pack or anesthetic. These are the sites where you can expect to be injected with Botox Cosmetic. Using a very fine needle, a tiny injection will be made into each site. Localized pain, infection, inflammation, tenderness, swelling, redness, and/or bleeding, bruising may be associated with the injection. Since there's no recovery time or downtime, you can even receive Botox Cosmetic treatment on your lunch break. And within days, you'll see a noticeable improvement in the appearance of the vertical lines between your brows. The most common side effects following injection include temporary eyelid droop and nausea. Now, let's hear from some patients who've experienced Botox Cosmetic treatment.
It's very painless. It only took about 10 minutes. I was out of there.
It's a very small little pinch that you feel, and I felt that it was really easy and much easier than I thought.
Thing about it, there wasn't any downtime. You know, like I could still go and do my errands. I could still do whatever I had planned for my day.
Serious heart problems and serious allergic reactions have been reported rarely. If you think you're having an allergic reaction or other unusual symptoms, such as difficulty swallowing, speaking, or breathing, call your doctor immediately. The most common side effects following injection include temporary eyelid droop and nausea. Localized pain, infection, inflammation, tenderness, swelling, redness, and/or bleeding, bruising may be associated with the injection. Patients with certain neuromuscular disorders such as ALS, myasthenia gravis, or Lambert-Eaton syndrome may be at increased risk of serious side effects. Full prescribing information has been provided to your doctor. You can expect to see noticeable improvements in a matter of days, and you may continue to improve during the first week after treatment. Optimal results should be visible within 30 days.
The results actually were very subtle. It took about 2 or 3 days to kick in.
You can still see expressions. I'm still frowning. There are still little fine lines.
With proper dosing of 20 units in the brow region, the positive effects of treatment can last up to 4 months. Ordinarily, you will only need to repeat the treatment 3 or 4 times a year. And treatment with Botox Cosmetic can be repeated as long as you continue to respond.
I've been doing it now for 3 years, and I love it.
I definitely would think that doing this every 3-4 months is not at all a heavy expense.
It just makes me feel like I did something for me.
According to a recent survey, most patients were satisfied with the results of their Botox Cosmetic treatment. And for 4 years now, Botox Cosmetic has been the most popular physician-administered cosmetic procedure in the United States, surgical and non-surgical combined, according to the American Society for Aesthetic Plastic Surgery. Think about your reason for talking to your doctor about Botox Cosmetic treatment, and together you can decide whether it's right for you.
I'm very satisfied with the results, and I'm satisfied with the whole experience.
Yeah, I'm very satisfied.
I will continue to receive Botox Cosmetic treatments.
I'm glad we could share a few moments together today. We hope we've helped you get a feel for the art of Botox Cosmetic and treating those moderate to severe frown lines between your brows. Thank you for your time, and please speak with your doctor if you have any additional questions.
Why ask your doctor about Botox Cosmetic?
This is my time.
Everyone has their own reason. Curious? Go to BotoxCosmetic.com to find a doctor nearby, because only a doctor can answer all your questions. What will your reason be? Ask your doctor about the one, the only Botox Cosmetic.
Isn't it about time?
When someone calls you ma'am, you realize that you're not that young lady anymore. The reflection in the mirror looks more like your mom every day. It's time to make the decision. We offer state-of-the-art laser procedures, a complete line of plastic surgery, and even full medical skincare programs. Call today to book a complimentary initial consultation. 201-567-8686.
I've had the best results I've ever had with any product.
With Fraxel, my skin was incredible. It was smooth as a baby's bottom, and my freckles virtually disappeared.
I'm amazed because it's just after one treatment.
Such an uplifting experience for me.
Makes me look younger, I think.
I look so much better. It's great.
I think one of the greatest benefits is that I almost feel like I don't have to put makeup on in the morning. I mean, I might put on a little mascara and a little bit of lipstick, but I don't really feel like I have to put the foundation on and get that full coverage because I'm not really trying to cover up anything anymore.
And I look forward to my next Fraxel treatments because I know that it really, really works, and I see it in my face every day. It's constantly getting better, and it's the real thing.
If you want to remove years from your appearance and enjoy a renewed sense of confidence in the way you look and feel, now you can with Fraxel treatment. A revolutionary, non-invasive skin rejuvenation treatment that smooths the texture and evens the tone of your skin, returning it to its original beauty. Fraxel treatment is safe and effective even off the face. Fraxel treatments are highly targeted, gentle, and promote rapid healing, repairing years of skin damage in just weeks. This remarkable treatment for more youthful-looking skin is such a breakthrough that people all across the country are talking about it.
Okay, let's talk about this new laser treatment called Fraxel.
Let's talk about something called Fraxel, which is becoming popular. What's Fraxel?
A good way to understand how Fraxel treatment works is to think of pixels in a digital photograph of your skin. Just like retouching a photo, Fraxel treatment rejuvenates damaged skin by treating only a small fraction of skin at a time, leaving it surrounded by unaffected, healthy tissue. This allows skin to heal much faster than if the entire area were treated at once. Using microscopic points of light to target precise areas well below the skin's surface, Fraxel treatment stimulates a natural healing process that produces collagen and elastin. Healing occurs literally from the inside out to reveal fresh, healthy skin. Since each spot is surrounded by healthy tissue, your skin heals very quickly. Fraxel treatment works on all skin types and is FDA cleared for multiple skin conditions: uneven pigmentation and discoloration, the mask of pregnancy, age and sunspots, fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes, acne scars and surgical scars, and actinic keratosis. Over 300,000 Fraxel treatments have been performed, and the results speak for themselves. Right after your procedure, you'll feel like you have a slight sunburn for a few hours. You will have some degree of redness and swelling. The intensity and duration depends on how aggressive the treatment was and your specific healing characteristics. Other temporary side effects may include minor itching, dry skin, peeling or flaking, and a bronzed skin appearance.
The appearance is kind of like a red sunburn is basically what you feel like. I mean, for me, it feels just like I'd been out in the sun at the beach all day.
As there is minimal social downtime or discomfort, women can put on makeup, and men can shave immediately after treatment. And you can usually return to your normal routine, like going to work, shopping, or meeting friends for lunch. You'll see improvements after each session, and so will your friends. And the improvements continue over weeks and months as your body continues to produce new collagen in the treated areas. Here's what patients are saying about the ease and effectiveness of Fraxel Skin Science.
I can just go on and on. I think it's great. It's invasive. You don't have to go underneath the knife, and you see results.
It was a tough decision for me, but it was so worthwhile, and I look so much better for it, and it really gives you more self-confidence when you feel better about how you look.
My friends and family love the way I look. My skin feels great. They've noticed a change in the complexion, and I've already got friends started in Fraxel treatments.
My daughter used to tease me because she would see my high school yearbook picture and I had dimples. And she would make me pull my skin back so that she could see my dimples. And about 2 weeks ago, I smiled at her and she said, "Oh my gosh, you got your dimples back."
And if you look in the mirror and see things that you're not happy with, go ask about Fraxel, go talk to the doctor, see if they recommend it to you, and if they do, I'd definitely say go do it because it's one of the greatest things that ever happened in my life.
Fraxel treatment can work wonders, but the first step is up to you. Life's too short. Why not look as good as you feel? Fraxel Skin Science. Results you can see and feel.
When someone calls you ma'am, you realize that you're not that young lady anymore. The reflection in the mirror looks more like your mom every day. It's time to make the decision. We offer state-of-the-art laser procedures, a complete line of plastic surgery, and even full medical skincare programs. Call today to book a complimentary initial consultation. 201-567-8686.
Introducing a breakthrough in aesthetic laser therapy. The Isolaz system from Astera is a multi-application platform that painlessly removes hair, rejuvenates skin, and treats acne, all with deep pore purification. This proprietary aesthetic technology harnesses the power of photopneumatic energy, a unique combination of pneumatics and broadband light for treatments that are 5 times more efficient and 7 times faster than traditional laser or light-based treatments. The only system that clears the pores from the dermis outward. Isolaz photopneumatics changes the optics of the skin, resulting in the precise delivery of highly effective energy, helping prevent collateral damage to surrounding normal tissue. Highly customizable treatment settings on this state-of-the-art platform provide complete control over treatment parameters to help maximize effective outcomes.
One of the exciting things about photopneumatic therapy is that it works for a bunch of different things in skin. We like it especially for treating acne, for cleansing the skin, reducing acne, number of spots, and decreasing breakouts. But we also use it very effectively for hair removal, and we also use it for decreasing redness and the brown spots caused by sun exposure. So we really use it for 3 things: acne, hair removal or reduction, and what we call photorejuvenation, which improves skin texture, tone, and especially color.
The treatment is very convenient because for the first time they can come in, it takes about 5 to 7 minutes where you get this amazing pore cleansing. It's pain-free, and most important, they can resume all their activities because there's no downtime. They can wear makeup, they can go back to work, they can exercise, and resume a normal, healthy, balanced life.
The fantastic thing about the Isolaz product is that the result goes beyond the acne portion. Your skin feels tighter when you leave the offices. The skin color, the pigmentation is evened out, your pores are reduced, you have a smooth complexion that you probably hadn't felt for years prior to this procedure. It's fantastic.
It was almost immediate that I saw the improvements in my skin and pores after using the Isolaz system. It was immediate.
With the Isolaz, I saw an immediate difference in my skin. From the time I walked out of the office, got into my car and pulled down the mirror and took a quick look, the result was immediate. Things that were raised, bumps that were raised, or acne that was there was now gone. There were no red marks, there were no burns, there were no any indication that I had just gone through a procedure that was taking care and curing my acne.
Here we're literally physically cleaning out these pores right in front of your eyes. You actually see it happening.
With this device, we've actually seen improvement in as little as 24 hours.
This does a big area in a few seconds. So you can cover the whole face in a matter of minutes and see the almost instantaneous improvement, and then add in your other therapies.
We can offer the photopneumatic therapy as a way to jumpstart the whole treatment program and for patients to get immediate positive feedback within a few days.
Pain is a big factor for our patients that are coming for laser or light-based therapies. This is one of the things they fear the most, and the fact that photopneumatic therapy is painless is a huge benefit.
There are no side effects. You're not putting